Cardano might go to $1,000, and the market might even go up to $2 trillion. Those are the topics that we are going to discuss in today's video. The good old days for crypto market are back. According to most of the experts, we are again back on track for the price rise. If Bitcoin is some kind of measurement for the market, we are witnessing high prices in BTC. This coin was as low as $29,000 at the end of July. Now it is hitting the highest price since the mid-May. At the moment, Bitcoin went around $50,000 again. This is an amazing jump in the price. Only in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin gained around 2%, and in the last month, the crypto leader grew more than 30%. This kind of rise on the market, and the price surges of other cryptocurrencies like Cardano, Polygon, and VeChain have helped the overall market cap to reach more than $2 trillion for the first time in the last 3 months. Today, we are going to analyze how the crypto market cap influenced Cardano ADA and what this might mean for the future of this coin. This is why you should stay with us till the end of the video. Before we start this video, we would like to share very important information with you. You got lucky because you can get up to $2,800 bonus on Bybit and Femex. It's really easy. All you need to do is click the links down in the description, sign up, and make your first deposit. Don't miss this big opportunity. It's a limited time offer. Let's start our video. Before starting the analysis, let's get into the charts and see what's going on over there. Cardano ADA is hitting another all-time high. When we all thought the market is crushing, the bull run came and Cardano benefited a lot. The price of Cardano reached $2.84 and challenged its previous records. Cardano showed huge strength when rose for almost 20% at a time when all the others fell. The next high for Cardano is probably around $3.36. Just a couple of days ago, Cardano reached its peak on $2.84 and it is showing no signs of slowing down. The price can slice above the aforementioned resistance level, and ADA will aim for a 20% run, around 8% of Fibonacci extension level at $3.37. Very close to 100% investors are currently in profit. Cardano price seems to be rising with the increasingly positive. While the broader cryptocurrency market took a breather, Cardano's ADA extended a stunning weeks-long rally a few days ago, soaring 10% in a matter of hours as trading volume in the token, which last week became the world's third largest cryptocurrency, swelled amid anticipation for a coming software upgrade that could help it compete with Ethereum. Cardano's ADA jumped over 14% to a price of $2.49 a few days ago. That was actually the highest point since a record of $2.46 on May 16th, taking its market capitalization above $75 billion. Reflecting investors' Thursday fervor, as of circa 11 p.m., more than $8 billion worth of ADA tokens has traded hands in around 24 hours, the highest one-day showing since a May price surge. The token has been on a steady tear this month, soaring around 85% as Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson teased a September network upgrade named Alonzo that will actually enable the Cardano blockchain to process smart contracts, self-executing agreements between buyers and sellers that have helped Ethereum dominate the booming $100 billion decentralized finance industry. Prospects of a software upgrade have also boosted Ethereum to 3-month highs in recent weeks. But Cardano's newer network, which still trails in adoption, has drawn skeptics throughout the world, like the former billionaire hedge fund manager Mike Novogratz. In a tweet after ADA became the world's third largest cryptocurrency this month, Novogratz stated that the token's rise was a mystery to him and suggested its platform was struggling to gain traction among the programs necessary for a cryptocurrency's adoption. Hoskinson, who co-founded Ethereum, hit back at the financer, responding to a tweet stating that Cardano requires a lot less energy than Ethereum to process transactions and making fun of Novogratz's background in the traditional banking space. Cardano's ADA skyrocketed in May after Tesla CEO Elon Musk soured on Bitcoin and stated that Tesla would no longer accept the cryptocurrency because of the hefty environmental downside of the enormous and massive amounts of electricity used to mine new coins. The crypto market fell to pieces and crashed and has yet to fully recover. But ADA surged to new highs as the investors flocked to more environmentally sustainable tokens. Hoskinson has claimed Cardano uses just 6 gigawatt-hours of energy. The token plunged almost 60% as the broader market collapsed this summer, but has since started to outperform Bitcoin and Ether. Leading cryptocurrencies have seen some huge changes across 2021's trading, but many top tokens have not long ago been enjoying strong bullish momentum. Cardano's ADA has started to behave as one of the year's best-performing crypto assets, and also the rally for the broader market, plus the upcoming listings on new exchanges appear to be driving the gains. In addition to general bullish sentiment in the cryptocurrency world, Cardano is also enjoying positive momentum ahead of ADA's listing on Japanese cryptocurrency exchanges. ADA also appears to be generating excitement ahead of a pending update that will take place in September and pave the way for smart contracts on the Cardano blockchain. Here is a surprising fact about ADA. ADA rocketed about 1,300% this year only, making it the best-performing top 5 cryptocurrency compared to returns of 1,030% for Binance Coin, circa 330% for Ether, and around 60% for Bitcoin. Nonetheless, the token is also highly susceptible to the broader cryptocurrency market's massive volatility. ADA crashed almost 90% within less than 2 months only in the beginning of 2018 as regulatory crypto crackdowns ushered in a years-long bear market for the nascent industry. So, what now? Cardano currently has a market capitalization of circa $94 billion. Its ADA token is circa 1,420% year-to-date, and the gains have propelled it to the third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. The cryptocurrency market has enjoyed a strong bullish momentum over the last month in particular, with Cardano rising 126% across the stretch, while Bitcoin has risen about 52%, and the Ethereum value has risen circa 62%, predicting and foretelling pricing action for Cardano and the broader cryptocurrency market involves a heavy amount of speculations. There are some potentially major catalysts for ADA on the horizon. In particular, the upcoming upgrade fork that will pave the way for smart contract functionality and other decentralized finance features is definitely an event to keep an eye on. This cryptocurrency has enjoyed a steady uptrend since bouncing off of $1 support in July 19th. Not so long ago, ADA's price had swelled almost 50%, pushing the asset's market capitalization to $65 billion ahead of Binance Coin and Tether. The long-anticipated upgrade could help Cardano compete on equal terms with Ethereum, which supports the vast majority of decentralized finance (DeFi) applications, such as lending protocols and exchange facilitation transactions without intermediaries. Charles Hoskinson, also known as co-creator of Ethereum, announced that they will release the date of its next upgrade. This will allow the blockchain to run smart contracts on Cardano, and it added it would be implemented before the Cardano Summit that is going to be held in September. When Alonzo launches, it is going to be very important to follow how many developers are going to use the system and whether there are any technical issues. Cardano is also hosting its annual summit at the end of September. It will be virtual, so investors can sign up and get the inside track on what's next for the coin. Cardano has come under fire recently as critics bemoan delays in development, particularly the amount of time it's taken to launch smart contracts. As such, not only are the smart contracts important in and of themselves, but a successful on-time launch will also reassure investors that Cardano can deliver. Before this mentioned summit, Cardano will implement the smart contracts. This will allow more versatile use of Cardano for decentralized apps, non-fundable token, games, and exchanges. This is a very slow but steady approach to the development of the token. Cardano always tests and doing its research before implementation of any new technology. In many other cryptocurrencies, they first launch the new products and then try to improve or test them. This is basically a race for new technology in the crypto community. What we are witnessing right now is an emergence of the future technology that is competing over who is going to be the leader. We have seen this kind of battles before in the Silicon Valley. In the long run, most tested products, like Cardano, will result in more scalable, stable, and robust products. Hoskinson designed this blockchain from scratch, and he tried to solve some of the biggest problems that were already present in Bitcoin and Ethereum. In the short term, seems like some of the other cryptocurrencies are overtaking the market, but on the long term, this means something else. For example, right now, most of the decentralized applications are on the Ethereum platform. According to the official data, around 80% of the applications are based on the Ethereum platform. This is good for its popularity and use, but is not fast and reliable enough for this high demand. That is why Ethereum is building Ethereum 2.0. Meanwhile, if Cardano manages to build its smart contracts, most of the users will switch to its system. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for following us till the end, and if you like this deep analysis of Cardano smart contracts, please subscribe to the channel and support us with likes and share of this video. See you in the next one.